Hey, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining. Today I'm going to do a watch battery replacement for my Dodge Charger watch. Very, very expensive watch, a well-known brand. No, actually, I don't know what brand this is. It's actually, I think it came off of a Chrysler Corporation website, a Dodge merchandise website, but it's got a Japanese movement, I know that. No idea what the brand is. It says Chrysler Corporation on the back of the watch. But in any event, we need to change the battery. So let's get started. And the first thing we're going to do is spread the band out. So we're going to take one of the spring bars off just to make this easier to work with. Don't want to lose the spring bar, so I'll just put it aside. And turning over the watch, this is not a screw back, and there's a little arrow right there that indicates where you can put in your pry tool. Just pop the back off without breaking it. And there we have it. I'm going to remove this plastic thing. I think that's the technical term. And that exposes our little battery. And this looks to be a 377 battery, which is the same as I think an SR626 377 AG4. And we have our replacement battery. Okay. Great, it's working. So what I'm wondering now is, can I snap this on without a watch back press, which I do have? I think the answer is yes. Wow. The man with the strength of a watch back press. Yeah, that did it. We're good to go. Watch is running. So, one last task, and that's to put the spring bar back in. Always have trouble with this part. Done. Great. The Dodge watch is ready to go. Thanks again for tuning in today. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video. It definitely helps. We'll see you next time. Take care.